Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off autocorrect on iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the General option. Next, tap on the Keyboard settings. Here, you will see a list of different keyboard settings and features. Find the Auto Correction option and make sure that the toggle switch is turned off. If it isn't, make sure to do so. After that, if you want to further customize your keyboard settings, you can also toggle off other similar settings like predictive text. This will give you more control over your typing experience. So that's basically how you can turn off autocorrect on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.